fryer oil filtration system. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 5¼ inches, a depth of 8½ inches. Please note that the length and depth dimensions apply with the drip tray. And the overall height with the drip tray, we have 20½ inches tall. By removing the drip tray, we have a height of 19 inches. Drip tray can be removed for cleaning with the main tower mounted to the top. Included will also be a 110 to 120 voltage plug, and coming to the bottom will be the on and off power, along with the indicator for the filter paper. Coming to the side of the filtration system, we have an indicator from the minimum to the maximum for the oil. Also included will be a pack of filter paper, and for additional filter paper, it can be purchased directly through Cooler Depot. This cartridge will hold the filter paper, and coming to the left and right will be latches. Latches can be locked or released. By releasing the latch, the cartridge inside will hold your filter paper. So with the paper refilled, latches can be locked in and can be inserted on the front. The cartridge will be secured in position by lowering this lever, and also located on the left and right side are tabs that will secure this cartridge. Operation manual will also be provided. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.